too many charts as far as selection here. We had some problems with my computer earlier on today, but as far as just main charts we can look at here as far as the soybeans, we said that right now we're probably developing a sideways trade. Kind of what happens normally during the summer. We might have maybe another low here, another week or so. But bottom line is we expect this 80 to 83 range to be traded for a sideways range on the August contract. As far as what's going on right now, we do have a bottom in the cash hog market and also cash pork. These futures might take another few days to get worked out on the downside for right now here. But we still look for 80 to 83 to be a sideways range. Right now, as we're pushing under 80, we're getting into undervalued territory on the hogs here. As far as the cattle issue here, just want to point out earlier this morning there was actually 2 articles on Argentina, which we all kind of talked about. Number one, the Argentina meatpacking workers are protesting and blocking some roads. They want some government subsidies. Second issue is the government at the same time also has stopped issuing new beef export permits. So bottom line is both those stories are good for U.S. beef. Argentina is a big competitor on the world stage for beef exports. I want to point out as far as beef production, we have been running under last year levels here in recent weeks. As far as prices, interesting to see we've got a little tick up here last week. There are some hopes that maybe we'll get a steady $1 higher cash trade again this week here. But bottom line, I want to make this point out. Look at this here as far as like normal cash trend for cash cattle. Usually we're dropping all the way to the third week or so of August. And look what we're doing. 3 weeks of solid trade, and then last week actually a bump up. So what we're doing right now is actually a pretty big deal. The fact that we're not having the same drawdown as we usually are in prices here. As far as our objectives, we still think that this 88 to 91 is a decent area for August futures to expire against. So we're basically keeping it simple. 91 and up, we'll work on some light sales. Anything 88 or so, we'll look at buying this